Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to, I don't know if this is episode 2 or 3 on the Supra series. As you guys know, we did a downpipe install, we did an intake install, and now the car has a flex fuel kit. It's on E50 and he's going to go through the tuning process. If you want to go ahead and stay updated with this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit this video a thumbs up, because next episode we're gonna race the Supra with the Supercharged G35 after it's tuned.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this ECU and send it into Tune by Marin. So he's gonna go ahead and unlock this ECU. We're gonna go on Ecutech and I'm excited. This is gonna be a E50. Alright, here's the ECU. That was super easy. It came out like that with just 2 clips holding onto it. Go ahead and ship this out to him. Cool. Back, and we're gonna go ahead and put it into the car. Super excited to put this thing in. Finally came in, so. What is up guys? It's like about 10:20 in the night, and my tuner, who is in the Philippines, you guys will know why I chose him in a little bit, but he just sent me the first file for tuning. So I'm in my car, I got the Ecutech right here, everything's plugged in, so we'll go ahead and flash the first ROM or whatever it's called. Still on 91 right now. I haven't switched over to E50. I'm just waiting for some replies from him. Tune, we already downloaded it. We're gonna go ahead and load it up right now. Program ECU and race drum is not installed. I don't know what that means, but we'll go ahead and see what happens. And here goes all the issues. I'm kind of worried because I didn't let the car idle or anything, so the battery's just kind of there. It did not take long at all. Right now I'm just checking the ECU, making sure everything is good. All right, so there's something weird going on. My RPMs are jumping like that, and my ethanol sensor is not showing up. So, all right, so as you guys saw, there's some weird stuff going on. My flex fuel sensor was not showing up. He's gonna flash me back to stock, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some data logs to see what's going on, and then we'll come back and he'll make a new flash file for me. Cool thing is it removed my check engine light. So right now I'm going to flash the stock file, and we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. It has like 10% or 15% left. Good morning guys, it's the next day and we got another file from the tuner. Hopefully this new map comes in and fixes all those issues. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flash the second version. That was fast. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if that issue is still there. All right, so it is still twitching. We flashed the stock tune. We're gonna go ahead and flash that V2 one more time. Hopefully that fixes up all the issues. So I start up. And yeah, you can see it's still twitching and everything. I got the 3rd revision. Crossing my fingers, I hope this is the revision that will fix all the problems and get this car running up. All right, so we're flashing it right now. All right, so I didn't record me driving off, but basically the RPMs are still jumping. I have no idea why is that, but I think it has something to do with map switching. When I try to hold cancel or reset, the map switching does not happen, so I think it's something to do with that. I'm currently on 91, so that's roughly about right, I believe. That was insane. I didn't get to do any data logging, but we're still having the issue with RPMs, but I did do half throttle, and there's a night and day difference. I'm kind of scared because this is not even E50 yet. This is like just straight up 91. What is up guys, we're back again for another day. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my Ecutech. We're gonna go ahead and do a base or a data log for this base map. Yeah, so the thing stopped flicking. I guess if I don't mess with the map switching, it does not flick, so everything seems perfect. Not gonna lie, I did a pull before here and this thing rips. And this is only on 91, not even 93. I'm kind of scared for E50, to be honest. Who knows, maybe I won't even run E50 on a daily basis because that thing is wild. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in right now and we'll go ahead and go for some data log runs. So the tuner said I needed to be in 3rd gear, and I started at 2,000 RPM and go all the way up to red line and let off and then stop the data log. So we'll see what happens. Back in my seat, holy crap. Oh my god. It's only on 91, I can't believe it. This is gonna be wild.
Supra is tuned. How do you feel?
He's located in the Philippines. He's an Ecutech master tuner. He mainly messes with GTRs and stuff like that, but I've seen something he likes You guys will see something of it. I don't want to say it yet, but that guy's a professional at it and he makes those cars. This thing feels amazing. So he does power and he does some special stuff. Amazing guy. He was helped me throughout the whole process. There's a couple tuners that I did not like. They would like zone out on me basically and not even reply. So this guy was every single day messaging me, but it did take 20 something revisions, but we got it down.
All right guys, we're gonna go on a quick ride along to see how the Supra feels after it just got tuned, man. I'm excited to feel it because I haven't, you know, I've only driven in that. That's the fastest car I've driven in, so. But, and it was fast. It was fast. The response in the car is just quick. And now he's got like
200 more horsepower.
Yeah, 200 more horsepower in basic bolt-ons, guys. The Supra is insane.
2,000 RPM.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
2, 1.
Slipping. Damn. Gross. Jeez. Slipped all over third gear, bro. That's insane. Before it used to hook on everything, no matter what gear you launch in, it hooked.
Yeah, this was third gear, not even in a power band.
Third gear, freaking shredded tire throughout the whole gear. You guys literally saw it on camera.
I think there's tire marks left on the ground.
I think so. Oh shit, right into the next one. Damn. Jesus. Oh, that braking power feels like a damn plane, bro. So you guys watched last episode, I raced Sheepy race twin turbo Audi R8. What if we watched them race the Audi R8 versus the tuned Supra? I think that would be a race.
That would be crazy for sure.
That would be a very good race, man. This thing is fast.
Oh, that's nice.
How do you hear all the blocks? Oh damn! Oh shoot! Watch out, buddy! Look guys, look at the tire. This is all third gear, my guy. All third gear. It's still going. Oh my. Guys, hear those pops?
Yeah, little pops. Nothing
And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Alright, this is a sneak peek to the other episode.